Hola mis amores, I'm so happy to be with you again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fresh Agua de Jamaica. Here it is. Enjoy your recipe. The ingredients we're going to be needing for this recipe are 2 cups of hibiscus flower and 2 cups of sugar. And you are going to need 11 cups of water. We're going to start by adding first our sugar into the water. And you want to whisk this thoroughly. Make sure all the sugar is dissolved. Then you want to take 3 cups of this water and place it into a medium saucepan because we're going to bring this into a boil. And this will do 3. Okay, now we'll add our hibiscus. You want to bring it into high heat. After 2 minutes, you're going to come back here and you're going to stir it. The water should be hot already. So we want to give it a head start. And then we're gonna lower down to medium heat. After that, you're gonna let it boil for about 15 minutes and you're gonna turn it off. And it should look something like this. As you can see, this hibiscus softened it. It's very, very red. The consistency is still liquid, and we want to strain it because we don't need the actual flour and just the syrup. Let's just strain it. Now I'm gonna bring back my water. Now remember, in the beginning we used 11 cups and we took 3 cups. So our remaining is 8 cups of water in this pitcher. And we're gonna add our syrup in here. We're gonna stir it. And you will get a cold, delicious hibiscus drink. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you stay with me for the next video. I love you all, sending you lots of kisses and a bunch of hugs. We need them at this time. Bye-bye.